Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about Mother Days, and you love her and she love you. She is very special for you. Okay. So now today we will discuss about mother essay, some points and also some quotes, and you will see also some card making ideas. You will also see some card making ideas, and but you must watch till the end. Mother's Mother essay. My mother is my best teacher, my superhero, and my best friend. She is the keystone of my education and she helped me grow my skill and abilities. I can never compare my mother. Genuine love and care although my life. Her selfless throw are the most valuable possession I cling on to. My mother constant prayer and blessing have helped me become successful in every walk of life. My mother is the most important person in my life. It is also long essay for senior classes. My mother is one of for which I can see the beautiful universe around me. She is responsible for all joy and happiness, pleasure on my other emotion. You can also take screenshot. I am possessing right now. My mother become my umbrella when I get stuck in the rain. She supports me in all my bad time. I have a very proud of admiration in my heart for my mother. She is my best because no one can fully authentic and genuine and caring like her. It is good point for you. She is very caring for all the universe. My sister and I used to share all the chats with my mothers about the venture we did all day. She not only help us in doing homework but she also assists us in making decisions. She is strict at time, no doubt. Sometimes she is strict but she is very caring and loving, but she also very soft heart. She gently correct us whenever we make a mistake. My mother play a very significant role in our life. Early in the morning she cook food for us. She helped me and my sister get ready for school. After we go to school, she spent her time her household activities and doing office work. She pray for us, hoping to see us brighter every day. Furthermore, in the afternoon and at the night cooks food for us again. This way her day get over. She is very tired of giving us love and affection. Considering my mother loved to be an ocean. Mother is like an ocean. It can never be waterless. She is unique and irreplaceable by anyone else in the universe. Watch video till the end. We can't find any kind of love in the world which is comprehensively, mightily liberal and genuine. She removes all the darkness from our life and bright out light. To be honest, and the need value of mothers are known by one who does not have someone to call mother. You don't call you can't call mother another person because she is caring and loving. There might a lot of sadness attached to our mother face. She is hidden. We must try to understand her feeling and make her time no matter whatever circumstance is. Now we can see another important tips. Celebrating Mother's Day celebration. There is a sign of mothers. M. This is a mother, and whole word show different sign. Amazing, loving, strong, happy, selfless, graceful. This is all point is very very important for our life, because this she caring her for us very strong, she is happy, she is grateful, she is wonderful. Is happy Mother's Day. Some quotes, and you want to like cards, you can write. You want to make cards, and you can write Happy Mother's Day. Mom smiles can brighten any movement. Mother hug but joy in all our days. Mother love will stay with us forever. Mother love stay with us forever and touch our lives in precious way. No one can't. Mother Day acrostic poem. Mother is the million sign. Mother. M. M is for the millions of things she gave me. मदर हमें क्या करती है, मिलियंस ऑफ चीज़ें हमें देती है, केयर लव बहुत कुछ देती है. ओ मीन्स डैट शी इज़ ग्रोइंग ओल्ड. इट इज़ फॉर द टीयर्स शी शेड टू सेव मी. H is for heart of purest gold. E is for eye, she love light shining. R means right and right, she always be. This is also you can write on your play card of your mother. Stay. Moms, thank you for always being there for me, not just when I need you, but for when I need you. This is also some code. You can take screenshot. It is a card making tips. There is another card tips. Handmade card. Mom. This is also handmade card. There is another handmade card. It is another handmade card. Like, subscribe and share my channel. In this channel you can also learn English grammar, chemistry and biology subjects, and also sometime motivational topics are present in their playlist, in the playlist, and some also have health tips are also present. This is also a play card for your mother decor idea. It is also amazing decor idea for you. Is also another card for you.